Today I have another granny squares bag idea to share. This bag is made of 24 granny squares, 12 on each side. I joined them with single crochet on the correct side to create a raised grid. The handles are double-stranded to make it thicker. It gives a sturdy feel, but it will stretch if you carry it solely by the handles. To lessen stretching, I've added strap buckles to the lining of the bag. We don't need a sewing machine for this project. It's totally doable by hand. I use French seams for the sides to keep it neat. To make it easy on the maths, like we're not going to reverse engineer an oval to fit the bag's bottom, I just crochet a slim rectangle for the bottom, and this will work because the lining will cover up everything. I use a very tight granny squares pattern. The chain spaces in between the 3 double crochets are removed, and the corner space is just 1 chain instead of 2 or 3. So I will show you how to crochet one. Please feel free to hop around the video to a chapter that you like. So I'm going to take this too, and we're going to join this together. This is the back side. Put the back sides together. Find the corner. I'm going to secure it with both the yarn. I'm just going to drop this one. And then we will do a single crochet here. You don't have to wrap the yarn tail because it will show if you do that. And now we will just single crochet across. Okay, this one. Just match the stitches, this one and this one. And now we just go into the chain space, make a single crochet, tight, and a chain 1. Now you come back here, you grab these 2. Go into the chain space, the corner chain space. Pull out and do a single crochet. Now we just single crochet across. Okay, now we'll add this to this. Basically the same thing. So we flip it. Correct side is outside. Like this. Okay, so now we will turn this into this. Before blocking, it is like wrinkled and squished together, so we need to block them. So what we do is, you can use corkboard and some pins, and we will pin it down. And when we pin it down, we stretch it, so we try to make it the same size. And then you use your steaming iron and just go. Someone broke it. You can let it dry overnight. Maybe about the same size. I'm going to join this and then join this. Go into the corner, not the space, the single crochet. Pull out a loop, pull through a loop, and in the same space we make a single crochet. We're not going to crochet over the yarn tail because it will show in the front. And then now we just add a single crochet across. I'm going under both loops. Not this much. And just add one single crochet into each stitch. And just join it to the first single crochet with a slip stitch. Ta-da! Okay, so this is my 4 rows of single crochet with a double yarn. So over here in between is 30 single crochet, 30 single crochet. Do I still have to mark it? Just in case I need it, I will mark it here. Okay, this is the last stitch. And we just go 30 stitches across, 30 chains across. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 30. And what we do is single crochet. So we have this little band here, and we will repeat. And then we will start our chain 30 chain stitches. 2, 3, 4, and join it here by making a single crochet. Okay, you just single crochet across it. One, two, so do 30. Okay, so I've got my 30 single crochets sewn over this chain. There will be 2 holes at the corner, but it'll be okay because we will line the bag, and then we can sew this part onto the lining, and it should keep it in place. So now what we're gonna do is flip it over, and then we will weave in all the tails, cut out the excess tail ends. Okay. The seam is very small over here. It's like less than half a centimeter. I've back stitched the sides with a 3mm seams, and now I'm just going to flip it to the wrong side